Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hassan. I'm bringing you another video. Today's video is about how to fix when your device you cannot make any purchase even though your card is registered on your phone. I'll show you what I mean. So let me open. As you can see on this image I have here, where your device is not able to make in-app purchase. Try changing your device settings to enable the payments. I'm talking about Apple phones or tablets. So I'm going to show you step by step how to fix the problem. For example, let me show you first. So let me go to my app spot. By the way, if anyone wants, I'm selling 2 shelf for £100 from UK. Anyway, so if I want to promote it, let's click on anything. As you can see, your device is not able to make an app purchase. Please try changing your device settings to enable the payments. So let's go back. Let's close this. So what you do is go to settings, then scroll down, go to time. Screen time, and scroll down again, go to contents, private restriction, iTunes, app store purchase. So as you can see, store purchase, read downloads, install apps, it says allowed, delete apps, don't allow. So what you do is you click here, you say allow, and you click allow, and then you go back to spot, and now it should work. So click promote, now click 3 days. As you can see now, it's not asking me, you cannot make a purchase. So I don't want to promote it now. I'm going to cancel this. I'm just showing you guys how to do it. Cancel it. Go back to contents. iTunes App Store purchase. This is helpful. Also, if you have kids that use your phone or your tablets, you can restrict them from installing apps or deleting apps or trying to buy something online. So right now, I have kids as well. So I'm going to say don't allow to install apps or delete apps. As you can see, I only have install apps, delete apps, don't allow, and all this. So if you guys find that helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm bringing a lot more contents to help you guys. Thank you for watching.